So the Jonathan Majors trial is into its third day, and the question is, so far, does it make it more or less likely that Jonathan Majors is going to be convicted or not? If you look at the evidence, it's clear that his girlfriend, who brought the case in the first place, Grace Jabbari, has some issues with her testimony. And for those who don't know, the case essentially revolved around the fact that Grace Jabbari stated when she was in a relationship with Jonathan Majors, they were at a party, went into a car, and she found something on his phone which indicated he had been cheating. And at that point, there was a huge argument, and she claims that he then assaulted her. That is her claim. There was CCTV or security footage, camera evidence, which shows that after that event took place, she was then found at a club, partying at a club, which was recorded. And of course, assuming that evidence is allowed in court, Jonathan Majors' defense attorney is going to highlight this and say, how can it be that if she was so traumatized, she was outside partying the next day? This is what the defense attorney will say, whether you like it or not. This is the way the adversarial court system works. Trying to poke holes in the evidence of the person who brought the claim, and is called impeachment evidence. So on this third day, they actually had camera footage from the cops that attended the scene, who were wearing body cameras, which showed that Grace Jabbari was inside a closet and speaking to them. And inside the closet, she stated that she was tired and she went to sleep. And when those police officers asked her the pivotal question, how did you get those injuries? She said that she could not remember. She could not remember. So if she said that at the scene, at the time, what can she say in court, and how does she clear that discrepancy? Clear the difference between what she said at the scene and then what she's going to say in court, which is that all of the cause of the injury is the defendant, which is the opposite of what had been stated on the body camera of the police officers. It does not align totally. However, the trial is not over. It's only the third day. Only the third day, but it shows you, I think it gives great insight into the fact that it's not clearly an open and shut case, and there are problems. There are problems with this case. And the last thing I'll say is that it doesn't even go into the fact that Grace Jabbari herself was actually charged with assault on Jonathan Majors by the prosecutors for New York State. She was charged with assault, but they ended up dropping those charges. So this shows you how convoluted this trial is. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.